God, rain got my eye again. Not this again. Freaking yesterday. Oh no, not yesterday, but before yesterday. Just lightning for a good bit. I think I see the end one, but I'm not sure. Oh, he's pulling this whole train. Oh my gosh, dude. He's probably stopping. Yeah, he's stopping. I'm going back.